This is a big, important lesson. With pesto, you don't ever want to pour the sauce into a pot and cook the pesto because the pesto is a fresh sauce. And as soon as you apply heat to it, it's gonna discolor and brown.
Okay.
So this actually is gonna be assembled in a bowl. And then another big trick is the way to marry pasta and sauce is by pasta water. I'm going to add this over here.
And I'll be stirring it up. This way?
Yeah, and while you do that,
I don't
I'll
wanna
add a little bit of pasta water.
This looks amazing.
Do you
God.
see? There's a
God.
creamy quality to
It
it.
smells so good.
Are you hungry?
I am very hungry.
Let's get eating.
Let's get out of here. So what do we say? Bon appetit?
Bon appetit.
Yeah. The pistachio pesto pasta is amazing.
Their sauce sticks to the noodle really well. Bravo.
Oh, this is so good. It's very healthy. Whoa, hi Bee. Hi Bee. Bees love me today.